Hidden problems in electrical panels can burn down homes. Most basements have negative pressure caused by the cold air returns that are not sealed with furnace tape. These cold air return ducts with small holes suck your basement, especially if the door leading to the basement is closed. These depressurized basements suck air from wall cracks, appliances, vents, fireplaces, sub pumps, and electrical panels, which is the focal point of this Marko Vogue video. Basement foundation walls are colder because they are underground and the unconditioned sucked in moist warm air condensates within the cold electrical panel, causing rust. Rusted panels can cause fires. Many electricians misdiagnose rusted or corroded panels as water leaking in or dripping in. Repairing these problems is simple. Seal the basement cold air returns, open several basement heat registers to help slightly pressurize the basement, change the door to the basement to a louvered door, and remove the rust from the electrical panel. Please watch my other videos that explain this and other house conditions. Please rate and subscribe below. You can also get more information on my website linked below at www.houseinvestigations.com.